Hey guys, welcome back. It is LaMeel from LaMeel.com, and today we are doing another training for the Alignment Boss Transformation Series, okay? And the topic today is that of assertion. And the idea that I want to impress upon you is that there is no such thing as assertion, because we live in a attraction-based universe. So what that means is that everything that you are experiencing is because you are a vibrational match to it. Not that someone is projecting it or someone is doing something to you. In order for you to experience anything, you have to be a vibrational match. How I want you to take that into your everyday life as you are working on becoming an alignment and a vibrational match to the money, to the house, to the cars, to the relationships, to the success, to the careers that you are wanting and working at manifesting, is that if you are experiencing something, you're a match for it. If you don't like what you're experiencing, then the idea is for you to change your vibration. Right? And how you change your vibration is you change your thoughts. If you change what you're thinking, you change what you're feeling, and those feelings translate into vibrations, and thus you get a match to whatever it is that you are vibrating at. So if you have no money, then you need to change your thoughts about the lack of money to the fact that you are abundant and in the areas in which you are abundant. So if you want the money, you change your thought. You change your thought, you change your feeling. Change your feeling, you become a vibrational match for what you're feeling. So then if you have no money, right, you find things to be abundant, to feel abundant about. There's an abundance of trees, there's an abundance of grass, there's an abundance of air, there's abundance all around you in different forms. And when you start to acknowledge that and feel that there is abundance and abundance is coming to you, then you become a vibrational match for abundance. And you're going to get abundance in all different areas of your life, including the money or whatever it is that you're attempting to manifest. So there is no assertion. If someone is being nasty to you, it is because you are a vibrational match to that. Perhaps you're not being very nice to yourself. Perhaps you are judging yourself and you're being